Can we talk a little bit about targeting strategies then while you're doing these, your geofencing, whether it's, competitor or that, Dollar Tree or whatever that's down the street that you find out that a lot of customers are coming from. As you're targeting them, what are you learning about like demographics, or are you targeting certain demographics? How does that work?
Sure. The Willifords, for example, they have decided to split their ads. So one strategy is in English, and then and there's a bunch of targets that we have, about 100 or so targets for English-speaking customers. But then we have a whole list of targets that we have for Spanish-speaking customers, and the demographic targets are different. It could be, Latinx grocery stores. It could be...
They have different behaviors.
Yeah, different grocery stores, or I'm Filipino, right? So I'm very particular if I'm going to order some Filipino stuff where I go to do that, right? So if, God forbid, you get two Filipino restaurateurs going head to head, you have to kind of figure out where each other's customers go to, before or after coming to one of our restaurants. It's the same with, Latinx or Latino customers that are strictly Spanish speaking. They, like I would, like to go to stores that would cater to some of the things that I'd like to shop for, right? Have you eaten much Filipino food?
Absolutely.
The pork, no one knows this, but lumpia, we have the best egg rolls, right? It's called lumpia. It is the crack cocaine of egg rolls. So, if Flavor Flav
Writing that down
would have
right
ate
now.
this instead of doing all those drugs.
He keeps saying he's going to make them for me, but
That is true. I haven't done it yet. So in terms of strategies, you look at a given demographic. I know in Seattle, there is a Pacific Islander population, and sometimes, we've considered running ads specifically in those languages to better serve those people. So we try to do the same when the client wishes to. We try to offer that capability as well.